Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Eva from the Glitter Corner here, and this is a bit of a different video as I recently uploaded my 30th video on my channel. I'm just going to show you a bit of a very simple nail prep, just using the good old orange wood stick, pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm coming in with my e-file and one flame bit, and I'm just going to use that orange wood stick, flame bit on my e-file, and then some nail scissors that I bought around the corner here in the supermarket. However, not the best pair of nail scissors. I need to get some better ones. Actually, in the description box below, I'm going to link one pair of nail scissors that I'm thinking to get. Maybe you can tell me what kind of nail scissors you use to remove your cuticle skin. Do you use nail scissors? Do you cut back your cuticles or don't you? I see that sometimes on some of my fingers I really have this bulk of skin on my nail bed area, and I cannot get it off with a drill bit, so I decided to cut that back very carefully, of course, not hitting my skin too much, but yeah, for the dead skin area I'd like to cut that off, and it's very hard with the scissors I have now. But other than that, I just let you watch what I do here with the orange wood stick and the flame bit, and then later with my scissors. Other than that, I'd like to tell you what I've been up to during the last year, as it has been so long since I uploaded. And looking back now on my channel, I would say that I started my YouTube channel a bit too competitive against myself. I wanted to be consistent from the beginning. I wanted to be uploading at least 2 videos a week, and for a time that went well. But with my normal job and then YouTube and everything that was going on in my life and globally on the planet, it was just too much. And then in the end, due to stress, I developed a twitch in my eye that did not go away, and yeah, it took me some time to recognize that is stress, and I have to take care of myself, of my psyche, and I need to relax. So that's what I did. Also, I'm a bit of a black and white type, so instead of uploading maybe a video every now and then, I stopped completely. At least with the videos, I was still practicing my nail art, I was practicing different techniques, and also my gel painting, which I'm very proud of, because turns out I'm not that untalented when it comes to gel painting on my nails, so I'm sure I'm going to show you a bit of that in the following videos. But yeah, as everyday life and your stress and change of rules and everything plays into everything, right? And especially the last 2 years were just overwhelming to me, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that was overwhelmed. And then new regulations, new laws being introduced, COVID passports and what have you. I just felt overwhelmed a lot of times, and I had this feeling of it is just too much. Everything is just too much, and I need some peace and quiet. Can you relate to that? I think a lot of people can. If you want, you can share that in the comment section and let me know what you went through. Every time I started talking to my friends, I noticed, okay, it is pretty much the same for everybody, but a lot of people try to be strong and keep their problems to themselves. But the moment you open up a bit and you start sharing, you notice it is pretty much the same for everybody. So that was kind of a relief. In part shocking, in part it was a relief. In the end, I always feel better if I can connect to people and open up to people. So maybe it's the same for you as well. So yeah, that was what was going on for me. I'm better now, I'm relaxed now. Also, I practiced my own filter and what kind of information and what kind of news or media flows I let into my life, and I've become very conscious about what I want to deal with in my everyday life and what I want to filter out for the sake of my mental health, so to say. But yeah, this is pretty much it. As I told you in my previous video, I've been on a 14-day road trip with camping through Spain with my husband, and that also brought back a lot of positive energy in my life, and I feel replenished and relaxed. So now I'm back to becoming creative and producing my videos and sharing what I learn with you. And I'd like to have you with me on that journey and to accompany me while I'm doing my nail art. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're still not sure, if you want to subscribe, I really appreciate every like that you give me and every comment that you want to write into my comment section. So yeah, pretty glad to be here, to share with you, to be with you guys. And those who are already subscribed for longer than a year to my channel, thank you for bearing with me. By the end of the video, around minute 9:20 or so, I give you, as I said, a preview of my latest nail design that I'm wearing on my own right now. Very summery, very laid back, relaxed nail design. I had fun creating a little bit of glitter, a little bit of ombre. Look at me trying to cut away the cuticle skin with those clunky scissors. That's what I mean. No fun. I mean, I managed, but geez Louise, that was not easy. There we go. Skin removed. Anyway, guys, so that's it from me. I let you watch. Again, by minute 9:20, you get this sneak peek of my nail design. Happy to have you coming along with me. And so much from my side. If you have something to share from your side, let me know in the comments below, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.